Hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the kitchen. Today now I'm making an easy method of cupcakes. Let's check the ingredients what I'm adding. All-purpose flour 100 grams, sugar 100 grams, oil 100 grams, 1:1:1 ratio, and milk 150 grams, 1 egg, and vanilla essence. You can add any essence, strawberry, apple essence. I'm adding vanilla essence. And for coating the tray, small trays, 20 grams of oil for coating, and keep it in a side. This is the recipe for easy cupcakes. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. Take the mixing bowl and see how I am mixing. Add oil, and sugar. Whisk it nicely. See how I'm whisking. You can add sugar powder also. This is the easy recipe everybody can do in their home. If you don't have any essence, you can add cardamom powder or any fruit. Next, add the egg. And whisk it. See how tighten the. Then add slowly flour and whisk it. Make like this. It's totally a different recipe. See how the batteries came. Like this. Then add milk. And essence. Don't give the essence in air. I am showing in the video because then whisk it slowly, and finally you can see the batter is ready. How thick it is. Make like this. Then in flour only we add a pinch of baking powder. Just little bit of baking powder is enough. And coat the trays. Small. I'm using this muffin cakes. Coat the oil. You can see how I'm making. See, you can see how I coated the oil in this. Then add mixture. Just keep for 70% and remaining empty, because it is flop upset. Only 70% I am filling. Enough. Set it on the tray and keep the oven preheat for 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Then use the oven. Now I am keeping the cupcakes. Remove after 8 minutes to 11 minutes. Check the frequency. You can check. Slowly coming up, sir. And I am removing. You can check how it is puffed. And extra batter I poured in this tray, and I am now demolding. You can check. How it is came. And I am demolding this also. You can check how it is came. It's very spongy. Why you are buying outside the cupcakes when you know how to make an cupcakes? And it's a healthy recipe too. And mostly the childrens like this cupcakes. And now I am tasting. You can see how spongy it is. Simple method everybody can do in their home. And thanks for watching.